Hey, welcome to Live with Lynn. So if you're here, say hi. If you're watching the replay, be sure to type replay so I know you were here. I'm Lynn Huber, and I appreciate you. So today we're going to talk about top leaders excel at the unimportant. You know, I love to watch and learn from highly successful people because I believe that success leaves clues. And if we watch what the successful people are doing, it's amazing how much we can learn. And, people are often extremely focused on only the most important tasks in their days, right? And that's understandable. I mean, we have so much going on every day and we're driven towards our goal. And so it's very important because those most important tasks are just that, the most important ones. So of course we need to focus on those, right? Those need to be our priority. But I mean, there does come a time, or there does have to be some understanding about how our daily lives work, because not every day is the most important one, and you're not deciding your future at every moment of every day. Really, there's a lot of unimportant stuff going on in your day. And while you shouldn't spend too much time on it, there are many benefits that you can get out of mastering your unimportant daily tasks too. So there's all kinds of little things that you do through the day that you probably don't give much thought to. But getting good at those things helps your whole day run smoother. And it's just amazing how much difference that can make. Hi, Karen. Good to see you. So we talked about your daily routine the other day and how your daily routine can really make a difference in setting up your day for success, or in shutting down your day, ending your day, in a successful way, or getting you ready for a good night's sleep, or just a daily routine can be huge. And having your daily routine down to a science means you won't have to spend time on things that don't help you as much, so that you can spend more time on the things that do matter. So take note of how long it takes to do certain things, especially the unimportant tasks throughout the day. I mean, it could be as simple as making your bed, or taking out the recycling bin, or whatever it is in your daily routine, right? With each day, aim to get through this routine quicker than you did the day before. Now, I'm not saying you have to run to the dumpster to take out your trash, right? Oh, maybe that might be good exercise, but that's not what I'm saying. Maybe what I'm saying is like, maybe spend less time in bed in the morning looking at your phone, or maybe take a quicker shower, I mean, just think about those kinds of things, what you can do to speed it up, or maybe even taking out your trash there might be other ways to do it that is a little bit quicker, like maybe do something else at the same time, take your trash out and drop off something else, or pick up your mail, or, I mean, what I'm saying, just like try to put the things together so that you can accomplish those things quicker. And becoming more efficient and good at doing all these little things, you're going to save yourself a lot of time and energy and brain power that you can then devote to other things that you want or need to do throughout your day. That's going to help your business, or help you in your job, or help you to become better, right? So a simple way to save brain power too is to cut down on the number of decisions you have to make. So for example, instead of wasting energy on trying to decide what to wear to work in the morning, have it chosen the night before, so that you should be able to quickly get up and get ready and you can get to work, right? In fact, looking at some of the super successful people, some of the most successful people have already figured this out. They're already doing this. I mean, like President Obama, right? When he was president, Barack Obama once told Vanity Fair that he never makes a decision about what to wear. He says, "You'll see that I only wear gray or blue suits. I'm trying to pare down decisions. I don't want to make decisions about what I'm eating or wearing because I have too many other decisions to make." And then other successful people simply wear the same thing every day. Mark Zuckerberg, he sports his iconic gray t-shirt every day. Steve Jobs became famous for it, black turtleneck jeans and New Balance sneakers. So they don't have to think about what they're going to wear that day. They just probably have a dozen of each one or whatever, and they just throw them on, right? So look for some of the things that you do over and over, and look for ways to do those things faster. It can be It could be simple as like maybe even learning common keyboard shortcuts if you're on the computer, or maybe automating entire sections of your business. We teach that. I teach that in my team. I teach about automating certain tasks that free you up to use your brain power and your time more efficiently to do the more important things. And or it could mean delegating some of those tasks that you don't have to personally do, right? I've been with the DSWA. It's the Direct Sales Women's Alliance. It's a great organization that offers training and help and coaching in mostly women, some men who are building a direct sales business. And Nikki Keohoho, she's the founder of that organization. She says this all the time, and I love it. But she says, hire a wife. And I just love that, hire a wife, because seriously, obviously our house needs to be clean so we can be happy and comfortable, right? Nobody wants to live in a dirty house, but we don't have to be the one to do it. I pay to have my house cleaned every 2 weeks. So yeah, it's not clean all the time, but once every 2 weeks, I have a crew that comes in and cleans my house from top to bottom. And so at least I know that the heavy cleaning is done. The bathrooms are clean, shining clean, at least once every 2 weeks, right? Then it's my job to kind of keep it up in between. But I don't have to worry about it, So that's kind of a form of delegation too. You're just paying for somebody else to do it, right? You're farming it out. But finding ways to excel at the unimportant things helps you get to those that are helps you get those things that are unimportant but still important, like having a clean house or taking out your garbage or whatever, right? Those things are still important, but they're not important for you to grow or build your business or whatever it is you want to accomplish. And so by finding ways to excel at those things, you can get things done as quickly and easily as possible, so you can spend your time, your energy, and even your brain power on the more important things in your business or your job or your life. Maybe that time the more important things might be your baby. Maybe you have a little baby in your house, so whatever that is, that's the most important. If you can find ways to free up the other things, that gives you time for that. So having everything done easily also sets you in the right mood for the whole day, right? If you're struggling with some of the common morning tasks, you might find yourself more grumpy later in the day because you were struggling trying to figure out how to get all this done, right? And that's because you spent more energy on a less important task, and because you could have been frustrated being hung up on such a small detail, right? So controlling your day this way means you won't be spending so much time on the wrong things and in the wrong places while ignoring your priority tasks, and you'll work more efficiently. Either way, becoming more efficient with these tasks in your day is greatly going to improve your life, right? Whatever it is you want to do with your day, having those other tasks done and out of the way as efficiently as possible is going to help you. So, hey, now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever heard of this concept before? I thought it was pretty cool when I read about it. So what do you think? What kinds of things do you do to excel at the unimportant in your life? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So please get down in the comments and share with us. Anyway, thanks, Karen, for being live with me today. Thank you all. If you're watching the replay, or even if you're live and you haven't spoke out, I really appreciate every one of you. And I'd love to hear your comments below. So anyway, have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.